This dance is called Colors of the Wind. 32 count, 4 walls. There's no tag and no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your left foot. Do a rumba box. Side together, forward, hold. Side together, back, hold. Section 1 again. Side together, forward, hold. Side together, back, hold. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold, 8. Section 2. Side together, side, hold, rock, recover, big step to the right and drag your leg towards right. Section 2 again. Side together, side, hold 1 count, rock, recover, big step to the right, drag your leg towards the right. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, hold, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Do a whip to your right. In front, side, behind. Sweep your right behind. Sweep. Side. Make a quarter to your right with your right foot. Quarter. And a hitch with your left. Section 3 again. In front, side, behind, sweep, behind, side, quarter, hitch. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. Side, rock, cross, hold 1 count, sway right, left, right, hold 1 count. Last section. Side, recover, cross, sway right, left, right, hold. Last section with the count. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Let me show you the whole dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5,